An Air India Express flight IX613 from Trichy to Sharjah had to make an emergency landing at Tiruchirappalli Airport in Tamil Nadu due to a hydraulic issue mid-flight. The malfunction, which affected the landing gear, led to the aircraft returning to Trichy just a few hours after its departure. According to the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the plane landed safely. The flight was carrying 141 passengers, among which there were 4 children and 4 senior citizens. It had taken off at 5:30 p.m., but airport sources indicated that the landing gear failed to retract properly. By 8 p.m., the aircraft was still airborne, with reports suggesting that in such situations, the standard procedure involves circling the airspace to reduce fuel before attempting to land. Shortly after 8 p.m., the plane made a safe landing. Emergency response teams, including 20 ambulances and fire services, had been placed on standby at the airport in preparation for the landing. The passengers were seated in the lounge and counseling was provided by the medical team after deboarding. Arrangements had been made to send them to Sharjah on another aircraft. Passengers were even given the option to postpone their trip or get a refund if they did not wish to travel.
All passengers are safe, safe landing. அவங்க வந்து அடுத்த ஃப்ளைட்ல ஏர்போர்ட் பண்ணி கூட்டிட்டு போவாங்க. All of them are safe.
Okay ma'am. எத்தனை passengers ஏதாவது
150 passengers including 6 crew members, 150 passengers.
யாரும் ஊண்டடா மேடம்? யாரும் ஊண்டாயில்ல?
யாரும் ஊண்டாகல. எல்லாரும் ஹேல் அண்ட் ஹெல்தி.
All are safe.
All are safe.
Okay, thank you.